The basic unit of time is the second, defined as 9,192,631,770 oscillations of the atom of cesium-133. Let me give you an example of how long a second lasts. Here goes. Not very much time, isn't it? The meter is the basic unit of measurement of length. It is defined as the total distance a beam of light would travel in 299,792,458ths of a second. The yard is the basic unit if of length. It is defined as 0.9144 meters. Now, if I divide my yard into 3 equal parts, each of these parts is called a foot. Here's some examples. Here's like a foot right here, and this little rainbow ruler I made is a foot long. And you can also just buy just a cheap wooden ruler. But it's just 1 foot long. It's 1/3 of a yard. Now, if you divide your foot into 12 equal parts, each of these little parts is 1/12 of a foot. This length right here is called an inch, which is the same thing right here. So 1 inch is 1/12 of a foot. It's also equal to 1/36 of a yard. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. It's also equal to 1/3 of a yard. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. It's also equal to 36 inches. The kilogram is the basic unit of measurement of mass. It is defined as the mass of a certain cylinder made of platinum iridium kept in Sèvres, France. It is called the International Prototype Kilogram. The pound is the basic unit of measurement of mass. It is defined to be 0.45359237 kilograms. 1 ounce equals 1/16 of a pound. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. 1 ton is equal to 1 dozen, like eggs here, is equal to 12. 1 baker's dozen is 13. Just add 1 more to the batch. 1 score is equal to 20. For example, the number of dots right here. 1 gross is equal to 144. It's 12 dozen, or a dozen dozen. Here's an example. I have 12 rows of 12 squares. 1 ream is equal to 500. For example, a ream of paper. The degree is used as the basic unit of temperature. However, there are several temperature scales commonly used. 2 will be discussed here: Fahrenheit and Celsius. Let's first talk about degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the symbol. It's just a capital F, a little circle right there. Now, how do we get these degrees? Well, we look at a thermometer right here, and we designate right here the freezing point of water to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And up here, the boiling point, I want to designate that as 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This difference is 180 degrees. If we break that up into 180 little parts, each of those little parts is 1 degree Fahrenheit. And that's how we get the scale. Now for degrees Celsius, right here's my symbol. And in a similar way, I designate the freezing point of water to be 0 degrees Celsius, the boiling point to be 100. So if I want a single degree, I have to divide this into 100 equal parts. Each of those little parts is 1 Celsius degree.